What's up, guys? We just showed up into Canton, Kansas. This is Canton High School here behind me. It's a beautiful day today. We're super excited. I can't wait to see what's in store. Blue Collar Tour 2024. Let's get it.
I think it's really important to develop a passion. You don't want to go to work all the time and not love what you're doing. It just makes it miserable for you and everyone around you. So finding something that you really love and going for it is the best. Never do the same thing constantly. Change it up a little bit, because doing repetitive things, it just gets boring. And if we change things, then that allows us to learn new things, even if we're not great at them. Like some of my students, they've found that they're really good at TIG welding when they never thought that they would ever try it. You may not think that you have a direct relation to the trades, but I guarantee someone in your life is connected. My husband's a diesel mechanic, my dad's an electrician, my stepdad works at the refinery. You're gonna be connected somehow, some way. No matter where you go, there's some sort of job opportunity.
I want to thank you from me and Western Welding Academy, because ultimately we could not be here if it wasn't for you. Now to you guys, you need to respect what she says. Okay, she shows up here every single day to do her job. Teaching is not an easy job. Okay, through the thick and the thin, your good attitudes and your bad attitudes, she shows up every day. She does this because she cares. She wants to build the next generation. She does this because she has passion and she wants you guys to be successful. If she didn't, she wouldn't be here. She could be anywhere in the world right now, but she's here in Canton, Kansas, teaching you guys, okay? So make sure you look up to her, respect her, take her word. She's ultimately doing this to better you. So many times we were told, I was told, and I'm sure you've been told as well, that you will not be successful in life unless you go to college. That is not true. We are here to tell you that today. Okay, so don't let people tell you that college is the only way. Get inspired, learn a trade, learn to work with your hands. Don't let anybody tell you that it's not honorable. Don't let anybody look down on you. It's a great experience. And you're gonna do a lot of cool things. You're gonna meet a lot of cool people. This country is dependent on blue collar trade. This country faces a national security threat, and that is a lack of blue collar workers. We need the carpenters to build the houses, the electricians to run the electricity, to charge your phone. Okay, we need the plumbers to run the fresh water and get rid of our waste. We need the welders to weld the buildings and the bridges and the pipelines for our oil and our gas, the refineries. You can't touch one thing without a welder or a machinist having their hands on it. Okay, look around as you travel throughout your life and you go throughout your town and your city and your state. Look at all the things that blue collar workers require. You can make a good life and have a good living. So together we can build America, all right? Blue Collar Tour 2024!
All right, guys, we're just wrapping up in Canton High School here in Canton, Kansas. You guys absolutely crushed it. We had a lot of fun with you guys today. Little school, good time, great class. We're heading up to Sioux City, Nebraska. Let's get at the next one. Blue Collar Tour 2024. Let's